The first round of the playoffs is heating up. This is your top 5 on NBA.com. Starting off, of course, at number 5 in San Antonio. Richard Jefferson, backdoor, please. Sweet high-low action. Nice pass from Tim Duncan down to Jefferson for the Jam. The Spurs win the game at number 4. We are moving on to Utah. Check out Deron Williams. Crossover, step back, knock down the triple. 24 points and 13 assists on the night. None sweeter than this three-point jumper from D. Williams. At number 3, well, you've seen 2 games out west. How about a little east action? Huge up and under move from Rajon Rondo. The Celtics were up 3-0 coming into today, but somehow, someway, the Miami Heat get their first win all year long against the Seas. But Rondo lands at number 3 in the top 5. At number 2, Dwayne Wade. Get out of the way, Kevin Garnett. Garnett just steps aside as D. Wade comes flying to the hole. Check out the big ticket. Move away. The 3 train is coming through. But at number 1, we are headed up to Chicago. LeBron James, just a casual half-court jump shot. No alteration in his form, no alteration at all. LeBron could have argued for an and 1 on this one. A comfortable range for LeBron is half-court. That's your top 5, everybody.